Luis Galvez, Technical Marketing Manager with Wolters Kluwer Tax and Accounting, and joining us for a virtual coffee break today are Majid Gadiali, founder and CEO of Textellent, Laura Thompson, Vice President of Marketing at Textellent, and Don Evanoff, our TaxWise application engineer. Now, the topic for today is text messaging for the tax industry, and Textellent is an automated text messaging solution for businesses looking to engage with their clients through this new channel. So Laura, how does text message marketing work, and what are the benefits of using it?
I mean, it's not probably going to surprise anybody that people are not responding to your phone calls these days. They're not responding to your emails. In fact, 90% of emails these days are considered spam. So it's really challenging to how do you reach your clients. And texting is becoming a really great channel for customer service and for marketing purposes to reach customers in all kinds of businesses. 98% of texts are open and read within 30 minutes. So that's a really powerful way to communicate with your customers. And you'll find that it really helps you provide better service to them. It will increase your client retention. And it also is a great way to boost referrals because a lot of people are uncomfortable asking others for referrals. So if there's an automated way that you can make that a soft ask, you'd be surprised what happens. And especially in the tax business, of course, you guys depend upon word of mouth. So being able to get that kind of response as a way to help you grow your business, that's a really effective way to use texting. And of course, being able to send people groups of messages at a time, whether you're trying to send tips out about your products or your services, or what your new hours are in this particular pandemic environment, is important too. And one of the things that we do is actually help you text enable the business off at the line that you already have. So most of your clients probably already have your phone number in their phone. So having it in their contacts, and then you send them a text message, they'll know exactly who that message is from, and they'll respond, and you'll be able to engage them. And it's not surprising at all to get response rates of 25, even 30% when you send out text messages. So it's a really effective way to break through the noise and be able to reach your clients. Another thing that people ask us about is, well, what about TCPA guidelines? Those are the guidelines that make sure that you're not spamming people. Well, because you're using it primarily for customer service reasons and you're using it to reach out to current customers, those guidelines don't even apply. But when you are marketing to your customers, you can we give you opt-in language that you can include in your contracts with them so that they can expect to receive messages from you. And that's just really an effective way to have a long-term relationship with your customers and be able to, answer those questions quickly and not have to have long phone calls with them.
That's right, Laura. And so, Majid, let's go ahead and talk about some specific use cases for tax professionals and how they can benefit from, text messaging to their tax clients.
Yes, Luis. Having been in the tax industry myself for 14 years, I know time is of the essence, right? Especially in the tax season, it's such a high-pressure situation. Asking me as a tax professional to do more work is just simply impractical. And that's where the automated campaigns can come in really, really handy and make a big difference. Asking people to invite them back from last year according to the date they came last year. So early season bank product customers are reminded early season, late season tax customers are reminded later in the year to make an appointment or even walk in. All of that can happen automatically. And once the tax return is complete, asking for referrals, and a huge, huge thing, as Laura also mentioned, we have actually clients, we were doing surveys of clients even last week. And we found that people, even during these bad situations and tough times, are getting referrals, and people are really getting positive responses to text messages. Engaging non-returning clients, maybe making special offers once in a while. And also, beyond just the tax season, as a human-to-human experience, sending birthday greetings, holiday greetings, even reminders for changes in the tax deadline, for example, we have this year, all of those can go a long way because in this channel, it makes an impression. When you send it, they will read it. Unlike email, unfortunately, where you send it and you send me an email and I did not even know, right? Promotions, etc., are great channel to have. If I have a new service that I offer, for example, credit repair or something else, I can tell my current tax clients saying, hey, did you know I also offer this service? And you will see referrals flowing immediately. Two-way communication is a big important aspect. Instead of having people call you and you have a conversation on the phone, which can go from 5 minutes to 20 minutes before you know it, and your work is piling on, you invite them to text me your questions so I can reply back quicker. And you can have efficiency and items and having predefined canned messages. A couple of things that we built recently and that people are finding really powerfully useful is, congratulations, your return has been accepted by the IRS. That's the kind of message I want from my tax person, right? If I'm not doing my own taxes. And on the other hand, if I'm a bank product customer, the only thing perhaps I want to hear from my tax person is, hey, your check is ready, come to the office with your photo ID, or your refund has been deposited into your bank account. All of those can be done entirely automatically working with TaxWise. And last item about appointment scheduling. I mean, how many times you spend phone calls saying, hey, does this time work for you? Does that time work for you, et cetera, et cetera. Well, we have clients who tell their clients saying, hey, don't call me. Go to my website or click the link I sent you, book an appointment, and I will call you. And then you will have my undivided attention. People love that. And the reminders to before the appointments, make sure that people show up for the appointment. All of those automations on this channel can really save time and energy and make you look great to your clients.
That's right, Majid. And so, Don, let's talk about some of the specifics of the integration that we have with TaxWise and Textellent that integrates with both TaxWise Desktop and TaxWise Online.
That's right, Luis. It does integrate with both of them. So a big piece of that is syncing your client data. So you don't have to add all of your clients into Textellent. It actually integrates between the two products. So that information just flows right into Textellent for you to be able to send individual texts or the blast text, either one. And also you can save and flag conversations. So as someone sends you information, maybe I can't deal with that right now. I have a customer sitting in front of me, but I can flag it so that I know to go back to it and I can get to it easily and quickly for whatever I need to finish that particular return. The other thing too is we've made it very easy to set it up either in the setup assistant or in settings, depending on the product. So it's very easy to get your credentials from Textellent in there, and that's what integrates the two products together. Also, we have a free 30-day trial currently, so make sure you call and try it out for the 30 days until that July 15th deadline right now. And with that, they also offer a 45-minute onboarding call to help you understand how to use it, how to send the text blast, or how to set up a promotion or your own campaign. So you have that as well.
That's right, Don. So if I am a current TaxWise customer, where do I go to learn more? And if I'm not using TaxWise, what do I do?
So if you're a current TaxWise customer, again, desktop or online, what you're going to do is call 972-200-7250. And that's Textellent support, and they'll answer any questions you have and help you sign up for Textellent and get your account set up. So you can do that. If you're not a customer, you'll go to engagetax.wolterskluwer.com/TaxWise Online. And there's a lot of information on that page about Textellent, about our tax products. And again, the phone number for Textellent will be there if you need to call them and ask them questions as well.
That's right, Don. So thank you so much for joining me today. Thanks, Majid. Thanks, Laura. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I hope you continue to enjoy your cup of coffee. I will continue to enjoy mine. Bye-bye, everybody.